What's actually in a commercial CCTV system? Four things: cameras, structured cabling, a network video recorder, the NVR, and storage. Start with the cameras, the one line on your quote you can already read. Commercial sensors run 2 to 8 megapixels. Indoors, they're built to run 24/7. Outdoors, you want an IP66 or 67 rating and a housing built to resist damage. Then the cabling. Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable is the commercial standard. Cat6 is preferred once you go to 4K. Power over Ethernet means one run carries the video and the cameras power together. No electrical circuit has to be pulled to each camera position. Wired cameras all terminate at the NVR or a switch feeding it. That's where the footage lands. Storage is what it costs you in space. 12 cameras, 1080p, standard frame rates, 30 days. That's approximately 8 terabytes. Here's the part nobody tells you. 30 days is a setting, not a fixed rule. Motion detection only records when the system detects activity. It isn't running all the time, and the resolution you picked sits behind both numbers. It shapes the cable grade, and it shapes the terabytes. That's a commercial CCTV system: cameras, cabling, a recorder, storage. Know what each has to be, and the quote stops being a black box. Safe and Sound Security designs and installs commercial and government security systems nationwide, with 20,000 plus locations protected over 19 plus years. Next, see how to choose a commercial camera installer.